Hi, I'm Alex from Graco, and this is Josh and Mac, and we're going to show you how to use the Cradle Me Lite 3-in-1 carrier. There are 3 modes of use. Here's how to use the baby facing in mode. First, you'll put the carrier over your head. Next, you'll clip the waist belt. After that, you'll adjust the back adjuster. You can either do it yourself before you put the carrier on or have a friend help you out. After that, you'll tighten the straps just enough right before baby gets in. And now you're ready for baby. Once baby's in, using one hand to support the baby, buckle each of the magnetic buckles. And then you'll buckle each of the side clips. Then you'll adjust all the straps to make sure everything is secure and comfortable. Lastly, after ensuring that none of the loops are attached to the buttons, you're ready to go.